learning hacking but you don't know how to cover your tracks? Or are you into cybersecurity but you don't know how to change your MAC address of your wireless interface? Then stay tuned and watch this video, because I'm going to show you how you can easily change your wireless MAC address. Okay, before we continue, I want you to know that this video is for educational purposes. Do not use what I'm about to share with you guys to commit anything malicious. Okay, thank you. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find it very useful. Thank you so much. So before we continue, I want you guys to MAC address. Okay, what is MAC address? MAC address stands for Media Access Control. Okay, it is a unique address that is automatically assigned to our devices by our manufacturer of our devices. For example, phone, computer, etc. Each of these devices have a unique address that communicates with within the network. Okay, for example, your phone and computer MAC address cannot be the same. The wireless card cannot have the same address as your computer or your mobile phone or your smart TV, smart bulbs, IP cam, etc. Each one of these devices have their own personal unique address, and it cannot be the same, or it cannot be two in the whole wide world. Okay, so why do we need to change them, and why is it so important to change them? As you might have already know, MAC address or your IP can be used to track you down. So, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to change them and how you can easily do that using the manual method or using the Python script code. So let's continue. So I'm going to open my terminal. Okay, I'm going to zoom up so that everybody can see it. Okay, so the first one, we are going to start with the manual one. Okay, the two of them are very useful and it's very easy to execute. Okay, so I'm going to type ifconfig to check the wireless interface. Okay, as you can see, there is W10 here. This is the MAC address of this device. As you can also see, there is an ETH0. Okay, this is the MAC address of the ETH0. As you can see, it's not the same with the W10. Okay, it cannot be the same because they are personally assigned to them. They personally assign this address to each of these devices. Like I said earlier, it cannot be two in the whole wide world. It is only one. So it's very important to change it. Okay, so the next command I'm going to type is ifconfig W10. Since we are changing it, you can use the same command to change the ETH0 also. Okay, W10 down. So this command will bring down the wireless interface so that you can change and bring it up. Repeat. As you can see, it was successfully executed without error message. Okay, means we are good to continue. So the next one is I'm going to do ifconfig. As you can see, this is the address we are changing it from this. I'm going to input the new address. I'm going to put 0. Now we'll do 33881207. Okay, then 25. Perfect. It's complete. It's a unit. It's a 12 character or digit. Okay, but make sure you input the columns so that it will differentiate what you are typing. I'm going to put the whole command below so that you can know how to do it yourself. Okay, then hit enter. As you can see, it was executed without error message. Okay, then I'm going to bring it up. So I'm going to do ifconfig again. ifconfig W10 up. Is up. So how do you know that the address has been changed from this particular one to the new one that we just typed earlier? Okay, I'm going to do ifconfig to check it. As you can see, 003388120125 was very easy to change, just like ABC. Okay, As you can see, if you scroll up, you will see that it's different from the first one. This is the first one that we changed it from, and this is the second one that we are using. This is the new one that we change it to. Okay, isn't that amazing and very easy? Okay, so I'm going to clear the screen. So the second one, I'm going to show you how to use a Python script. We are going to write a short code in order for us to be executing this command automatically. I'm going to open a program called PyCharm to write a Python code so that we can use it to execute this command automatically for us. Okay. Ls. Okay. Then I'm going to launch it by type. Okay. Then I'm going to launch it by typing pycharm.ch. Sorry. Okay. This code will launch the program that we're going to use to, as you can see, it's opening. It's launching the program that we are going to use to write the code that will execute this command for us automatically. This command will help us to change our MAC address automatically. Okay. So we are using a Python subprocess to write this script. So I'm going to do import subprocess. As you can see, it's automatically coming out. Process. Okay. Okay. Put your double quote. Okay. Then do ifconfig space wlan0 space. So the next thing you're going to do is going to write shell equals to true. Okay. Our code is perfect. Okay. So the next one, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to do wlan0 hw either. It's just like the first one, but this one will automatically launch it. Okay, either. Then specify the new MAC address. I'm going to start this one from 77. Well, I'm going to do 7044. Make sure you put the columns to differentiate the address that you are inputting. 8723 then 00. Okay, the last one I'm going to put 66. Okay, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's complete. So the next thing I'm going to write, I'm going to put wlan0 up. Okay, double quotes, shares 2. Perfect. So press Ctrl S to save. But I'm not going to do that. I will return to the terminal. Okay, as you can see, this is where our script is. So I'm going to return to the terminal. Okay, open my terminator. So I'm going to do cd pycharm projects of my script. Okay, then execute ls to check. You can see As you can see here, you can see Macchanger.py. Okay, there are different. This is the Macchanger. This is the script that we're going to execute right now. So in order for you to execute this, you want to type this command Python. Okay, then Macchanger.py. Hit enter. As you can see, it was executed without any error message. If you did not see any error message, that means it was successfully executed. So how do you know that previous one that you change it to? Okay, do ifconfig to check if it was changed. So I'm going to return back to the program. As you can see, 66 is ending with 66. This is the current. Okay, ifconfig. Okay, w0. As you can see, this is it. It was successfully changed from this to this. Okay, as you can see, this is the one we change it to. So it's very, very useful. There are different ways, for you to do that. Okay, there is another program that is called Kali Who Am I, and it's very easy to use also. Okay, I can show you that as well. Go to this website, scroll down. Let me zoom it so that you can read it. So in order for you to execute this first, you have to copy this first command here. Okay, first command, you paste the command that you copy. It will update your machine for you. It's very important to first type this. If your machine is not up to date, if your Kali is not up to date, then you need to type it. Okay, you return back to the browser, then you copy this second one. Okay, you copy the second one, the second command. Okay, you paste it. Okay, as you can see, hit enter. It's cloning it. Git clone Kali Who Am I? It's cloning. I'm going to put the link of this video. I'm going to put the link in the description under this video for you guys. So I want to show you another way to how you can easily change it, because like I said, there are different methods used to change your MAC address to increase your anonymity. This program that we are installing right now is called Kali Who Am I? Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that just now. Just wait for a few seconds. Then the last things that, okay, in order to execute this, you have to navigate into the directory of the folder of View2. So I'm going to do cd Kali Who Am I? As you can see, then paste the command again. As you can see, it was successfully executed. Okay, how do you know that it's working? How do you use it? You have two different options. Rather, you come here and type Kali Who Am I? As you can see, you click it. Okay, you can also use it from the terminal by typing this command, sudo Kali. Anyone that is easy for you to use. I'm just going to show you how you can use them. I'll show you the two ways to launch it. In order to launch it, so who am I dash dash help. As you can see, it's the same thing, right? Okay, how do you launch it? Let me zoom it so that you can see it well. Okay, so this is the usage if you want to know how to use it, and if you want to start a program You change it from help to start. You can fix your bug. As you can see, if you use fix, it will repair your system in case of possible bug. etc. Okay, let me start it. Okay, this is the first launch. It's always like this. Okay, perfect. Okay, as you can see now, this is Macchanger, IP, DNS, log killer, browser, anti-code boot, okay, host name, time, etc. So how about if you want to change any of them, anyone that you're interested in, you type the number. Okay, I'm interested in number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, as you can see, everything that I've marked the one that I'm interested in. So I'm going to add number 1 also. Perfect. So if I hit enter now, it will execute. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video and if you find this video is useful, please click the like button, leave a comment behind.